So we're going to do a seashell update review, but at this time I added some old bike reflectors that I didn't add in my last video. So this one's an oyster, pretty cool, it's flat, a little dusty but flat, pretty cool. It has looks like it has little craters on the side right here, pretty cool. This one's a mussel. I didn't add in my seashell review video, but this one is glued shut. Pretty cool. Stick that to the side. This guy right here is a steamer clam, and it's definitely glued shut. You can see the inside a little bit. This one's an oyster fused to a rock. I think you saw this on my last video. Oh, this one's so cute. This one's an oyster fused to a slipper snail. You saw the slipper snail, you saw the little neck, and you saw the cockle clams. The regular cockle clam and the Florida cockle clam. Okay, this one I did not add in here. Let me put this back. I said this one I did not add in here is this top bike. This ain't top bike reflector, because this one I didn't add it, and this one I took off my old bike. The same bike that I took off the wheel reflector in my last video. As you see, you can see the inside is so cool. And this little guy, this one I found by my house, is pretty cool. It's I think it's, let me read the name. It's Sailate top, and you can see the inside. It's a little bright, but it's pretty cool. Okay, this is the one that I found by my house too. It was like in the dirt, but I found it. It's pretty awesome. This one's a Safe Aid reflector. Yeah, because it says Safe Aid. And it has HDP5. That's just the model number of it. Pretty cool. And this one's an old reflector, because they had it back in the old days. Pretty cool, isn't it? Alright, let me push these to the side. Let me push these to the side. Okay, this one right here is a quartz crystal, which is silicon dioxide, because it's two parts. I think it's insoluble silicon dioxide. I think like 4 parts oxygen. And, oh, I meant to say 2 parts oxygen and 1 part silicon. And this one's a beach crystal, which is the same crystal like this, but smoothed out by the waves. This one is a smoky quartz, which is still silicon dioxide. It has probably impurities of iron in there, because of the red color. This one is obsidian, which is liquid glass, volcanic liquid glass that's cooled really quick, without crystal. And this one I showed you in my last video, but it had no audio. So this one's actually amethyst, which is amethyst is silicon dioxide. Like anything related to quartzes, the Mohs scale is 7 on the Mohs scale, which is pretty cool. It's amethyst, I think agate too. Yeah, this red area is agate, and there's a small bug on there, which is annoying. Yeah, agate. This one's garnet. The Mohs scale for garnet is like, I think 6.5 to 7.5, which could be a little bit harder than quartz or a little bit softer than quartz. But the hardest Mohs scale is diamond, which I don't really have. Oh, and this one right here is an oyster I glued together. Pretty cool. I'll put that with the others. And I remember I told you earlier, this one's a fused oyster. Oh yeah, this one I was gonna add. This is my world ball. United States, China, North Korea, South Korea, Egypt. Pretty cool. Africa, Antarctica. And there's my mirror, which you can see the reflection. And it's pretty bright, which is so awesome. You even saw the light while I was recording too. I don't know if I added this in my video, but I think I added this one in my video. I'll just do it again. This one was the Whisper fan I told you. I think I told you my part 1 and part 2 fans, but it's alright. So cool. Let me put the Whisper back. And I think this one I did in my Hexbug, but I'll tell you, this one's a Hexbug Fire Amp. Don't mind the back end, that one broke off, but otherwise it still works. Let me show you. Let me turn off. Pretty cool. Right now the batteries are low because it's not as fast as usual, but the batteries are low. Otherwise, it's still good. Let me turn this on. Pretty cool. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll do daily videos.